Whoa! Holy crap! How did that happen?
I don't know.
This is what's for dinner. Meatball subs. Oh, there you go. There's a better picture. Scarlett ate her cheese off of hers already. Yum. And White Castle fries and salad.
Yay.
Or green beans. Is it good, Scarlett? You give thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Yay!
Michael went to White Castle to get these.
No, they're in the freezer. I don't know where you bought them from. Where'd you buy them?
I just had them on sale.
Super Y.
You like Super Y.
I like Super Y.
But why?
Super Y.
But why do you like Super Y?
I like the live and TV.
Well, we're gonna go outside tonight.
Ooh.
Can you show me the happiest sound in the world? The best sound in the world? Yep. That's it. Is that the best sound in the world?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
I love you.
Christmas. Da da da. Super sick.
Scooper who?
Super Scarlett.
Super Scarlett.
Saves the day. Super Presley eats a green bean. First time of the season riding in the driveway with our toys. Oh, good gravy. Got your foot stuck, girlfriend.
Bye
Bye, where you going? Are you going to Walmart or Real King? Real King. Hey, can you give me some popcorn?
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go.
It's so good. That's why I love Real King. It's yucky? Is it? Oh no! It's always good.
Huh? My cow. My cow.
You gotta back up. There you go.
Oh, lover.
That's Sissy's exercise band.
Bye.
Hey Michael, what are you working on?
Refrigerator.
How many days have you been doing it?
1.5.
Get your hat on and go for the road. Yeah. He's so silly. Give me that rooster that goes. You already went to the store and came back?
Yeah.
That is super fast, Scarlett. Do you know how fast you are? Thank you for the chicken.
Thank you.
How much do I owe you? How much did he cost?
I want some fries.
You want some French fries?
Fries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Have a good day. Have fun.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, Scarlett. I love you.
Bye.
Bye. Getting sick. What did you get into, bud? Oh, you're eating grass. Oh, golly. That looks gross.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, girlfriend.
Oh, well, she just ran through Dunkel's vomit. Vomit comet. Daddy's showing Scarlett how to change the oil. Check the oil. You hear airplanes? Daddy's showing you how to change the oil. Where you going? I don't see the airplane. I hear it though. Too cloudy, I guess.
Way up.
I see it. Are you looking at the moon? Are you looking at the airplane?
Today's the end of
real?
Yep, yep. She read it online.
Girlfriend, guess what? You got like sauce all over your face. Oh, you think you're a bike rider now, huh?
Cool rider, mother. Guess what, guys? I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission to find one of my movies I got for my birthday.
What movie?
There's all your stuff out of my truck that I threatened you guys to throw away, but I didn't. Oh.
Whoa! Holy crap! How did that happen?
I don't know.
She said
You out?
Are you okay, Tonker?
yeah.
Oh my gosh, come to mom. Are you
My
okay?
hat's all disheveled.
Oh, baby. You poor thing.
My hat's all disheveled.
You're getting it, Michael.
I warned you 3 weeks in a row.
And I want my Trader Joe's bag back. That's my Dwight Yoakam bag. That's what that cowboy looks like.
It does.
Mom,
Even though I don't think he's ever played in Branson.
Mom, mission accomplished.
I said even though I don't think he's ever played in Branson.
Can I come in?
The Branson crowd too aren't cowboy hat wearers. Chill out, you're gonna fall again. It's okay, Daddy ain't gonna run over you. Oh, I'm so scared. Holly! Look. Daddy's popping wheelies on the lawnmower. I guess we need to get out of the way, huh? Oh, golly. Daddy's a cool rider. Are you scared? Scarlett? Are you scared? Press, who did you say Scarlett looks like with her hat on?
Sherlock Holmes. Mommy.
She does look like
Or
Sherlock.
Sherlock Holmes. Or Sherlock Holmes.
Did you see that movie?
Yes.
Of course, you've seen every movie known to mankind.
I seen with my dad.
Hey, that's gonna hurt you if that comes down on you. Golly. Boo. You scaredy cat.
Scott, you scared the fur babies out of Dunkel.
You scared the fur babies out of him.
Mommy,
Why? Daddy is like way down there. He's not gonna come get you. Daddy wouldn't hurt you. What?
Don't you ever say
That is disgusting. Do not.
I didn't actually like. I always wanted to do that.
Put that away before you crack your sister in the head with it. Plumber crack, could you please?
I will.
Pull them up, Crack Spackle.
I can't even like a red.
Pull them up.
Hello, Sherlock. Mommy, what you? Hey, Sherlock. Mommy, what you?
Mommy's gonna go clean the kitchen. You gonna come inside with Mommy or stay out here with Sissy? Presley. Presley, stop. If you want to ever have a chance to babysit her, you need to be nice to her. Don't tease her.
Guys, it's fun to teach your little brother and sister.
Hey, well, when she starts saying that about you, I don't want to hear it. Let me hear you sing it. I like to eat. Apples and bananas.
Now change those three sounds to an I.
I like to eat. Apples and bananas. Good job. Eat. Apples and bananas.
Your turn.
Presley, do you like to eat?
Go
Apples
away.
and bananas.
Go away. Go away.
She likes to
Go away.
eat.
Go
Apples and
away.
bananas.
Get away.
She likes to eat.
Get away. Get away. Get away.
Oats. Apples and bananas.
Ow.
She likes to oat. Apples and bananas. Daddy likes to oat. Apples and bananas. She likes to oat. Apples and bananas.
Now change the
Change those O's to use, Press. Oot.
Stop.
Apples and bananas.
Stop.
Hey, Presley. No, too rough. Tell your sister you're sorry.
Sorry.
Help her up. You didn't do anything, Scarlett. You were just playing. I like to oot.
Stop.
Apples and bananas.
Stop. Anyway, round two.
Oot. Apples and bananas.
Stop.
You gonna get her?
Hey, Mom. I'm gonna.
Did you get her? Oh, Geronimo.
You wanna do it?
No, you gotta put your hand out like that and then slap it. Here, you gotta rest your hand on mine and then I smack it.
Okay.
Here, do it to me. Put your hand on the bottom, try to smack mine. Put your hand like that and now try to smack mine. No, with the same hand, Goober. Ooh, you got me. Oh, too slow.
Okay. Okay.
No, that's not how you do it, Goobs.
I can't help it.
Put your hand on top of mine. Lynchy.
Molly got it the other time.
Here, put your hand on bottom. You gotta do it the same hand. You're cheating. Scarlett, she's just playing now. She can't even do it with 2 hands. Oh!
Right in the finger. Mom, is that the skirt?
What month is it? April. What is Presley watching? Christmas Vacation.
Where's the Tylenol?
What's Scarlett doing? She's doing planks over there.
Look what I watched.
Running
an hour
planks.
ago.
Do your running planks, girlfriend. Oat. Apples and bananas.
Guess what?
You like to oat. Apples and bananas. The name of this vlog will be, how many injuries can one kid get in a day? In an evening. She's on like number 4. It's like human pinball. Good God. Y'all gonna break something nice. I don't know what that would be, but.
Literally just hit me with the ball.
Whoa!
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Get Dunk. Get Dunk. Get Dunk. Poor Dunkel. Poor Doodly Boots.
He's like, I'm hiding. Let me.
You know what ball up there?
Yes, on top.
You better give it to him before he scales the whole thing.
Or are you gonna scare the whole house?
I like to oat. Where's it at, Dunkel?
Up by the TV.
What?
Up on top of the TV.
Get it, Dunk. Get it, Dunk.
Boom.
Get it, Dunk. You gotta go pee-pee potty? Sure. Dunkel's like, please, somebody help me. Help me. I know it's up there. I know it's up there. It's driving me crazy.
Uh-oh. 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 Injury number 5.
Number 5.
Oh.
What happened? Oh, Daddy, make it better.
She fell into this corner of the chair.
You okay, Tonker? Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
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 Okay.
I hurt my
I'm
liver.
so sorry.
I hurt my liver.
Oh, man. I know what would help. Maybe a warm bath.
Oh, looky.
Don't poke it. You got a spot? Oh, my goodness, baby. Poor baby. Yours is red. What color is Daddy's? Get him, Dunk. Get him, Dunk. Get him, Dunk. Get him, Dunk. Oh, poor Dunk. Poor Dunkles. Dunkle's like, I'm out of here, dudes.
You're surrounded. Hurts from earlier. I don't know what I did.
Dunkel's gonna be saying that tomorrow. You guys are dodgeballing Dunkel. Are they dodgeballing you, bud? Poor Buddy Burr. Poor Buddy Burr. Him just a Buddy Burr. Are you guys bowling for Dunkels? He's gonna pop it, and then y'all gonna cry.
You want to go back to the Incredible Pizza? Did you see that email to you?
Yes, I saw it, but I didn't buy it because it's a pain in the butt.
Is that where we met? Is this like where we met Haley? Love it.
Is that Haley? I don't think so.
No, Kaylee.
No, that's not Kaylee. That woman does kind of look like her, but that's not her. That was your preschool, library school. Look at Presley Doodle Bop, Dee Dee Doodle Bop. That's all I want to see. It's the cutest picture.
Yeah.
We're gonna throw it out to Dunkel. Make him go take it.
Look at Presley in her pink wig. Is she not adorbs?
There's mommy.
That's Big Mama.
It is dark.
Oh, so cute, Press.
And a random person.
Look at her there in her little costume. So sweet.